Do you know you can create your own avatar just like as you are watching this video right now, and you are seeing me in a new look, a new avatar look, which I created with my iPhone. So if you are using an iPhone, there is a feature in your iPhone that you can use to create your own avatar just as you can see me. So with that feature, you can select your own preferred avatar, just as you can see me now with my own avatar. So you must have seen a lot of people creating video content like this, but you don't know that you can actually do that with your iPhone easily. So come with me, let me show you how to set it and create your own avatar just like this as you see me now, okay? So let's go. So to do that, launch Open Your Message app on your iPhone. Then tap on this top icon as if you are going to write a new message. Then tap on this icon that is close to the camera icon that looks like it's capital A. So now you tap on this avatar. So you can see your avatar here. These are the ones that I have created, as you can see. So for you to create new ones, swipe and tap on this plus sign. So from here, you can select your preferred skin color and select face also. And if you look at the top tabs here, you can choose your hairstyle, as you can see, eyes, facial hair, until clothing. You can choose your clothing, as you can see. So now after you must have selected and you are done with creating your avatar, then you come up here and click on done. So now for you to record the video in your new avatar look, so you come here at this camera icon sign, then tap on the camera. Then make sure you swipe it and put it to the video. So now you see this icon down here. Tap on it. Then tap on this first one, which is the avatar. So from here, you can be able to see the avatar you have created. So for example, this is my avatar that I have created, as you can see. Hello. Yeah, this is now my new look. So if you want to go ahead and record the video, you just close down this one. Then tap on record. Then your video will start recording, okay? So that's it on today's video on how to create your own avatar with your iPhone, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, kindly comment down, like and share this video, and don't forget to follow me for more tips, okay?